This next design is the rose spray, and once I put it on someone's cheek, the next 3 people in line have got to have it. Okay, I'm going to load my brush really well on the cake. Make sure you get lots of white on the tip of your 5/8 inch angled shader so that you can get through the whole rose. Okay. So I'm going to aim the bud up towards the focal point. It's full of rose. And I do the complete cheek rose first because that's the most important one. When my whites are the whitest, my contrast is the highest. Okay. And then just add just a teeny bit of glitter. Don't want to overwhelm the roses, they won't be able to see them anymore. Okay, then I usually take a 1/2 inch to do the leaves. In this case I'm going to use Depot. It's one of my favorites because it has good contrast. So I'm just going to pick up just a teeny bit of the blue on the tip. Mostly the light green and the teal. And then I'll come up and do some little petals on the middle and some calyx strokes here. And then I'll do 2 petals here. Get a little bit. Okay. And then I use the tip of that angled shader, draw some flare lines out, and that's a good stopping place right there. But then, as long as I've got the paint on here, I'm going to fill it in a little bit. So I like to do smaller petals, kind of fill in. Make sure that your little leaves shoot off of the stem, don't attach to it. Okay, and then I'll add some baby's breath. And I usually just do baby's breath. You can, if it's a younger child, you can add some stars and other things, but I kind of like this as a spray. So that's a 2 minute and 58 second design.